Hello and welcome everybody. BNGO stock on 27 November. Let's start step by step with easy price prediction explained. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And let's start for this kind of stock. So as we can see, this is going to be referring for us. That's the price that was year and one on 1 week update. Let's see if we can see that seriously on 1 day update. So the price can be also the same value here on 1 day update. So if we want to make another method that helps us whether this is going to be the BNGO stock movements or not, this will give us a refer for what we want on those two stop lines and this circle. Okay, and this circle. Okay, we can make such great intersection here. So I think this is going to be the thing that matters, and that can be the part that we don't care at all. So the part here is going to be for 0 1 here. Okay, Fibonacci level 0 12, and this intersection would be here. This would give us a decrease on 1 week update. Then it would rebound from the lowest part that it has reached on BNGO stock. Hope you benefit from what we have explained on this video.